We found that when a home renovation project is underway, most people dread the price tag of the kitchen. Kitchens are renowned for being a tad on the expensive side, but it's also a space that is important not to cut corners. So, how do you get a stylish and functional kitchen that also boasts loads of personality and character without completely blowing the budget? We've collated 6 custom updates that you can apply to more affordable kitchen companies, such as IKEA, to give you that designer finish that you've been dreaming of. 1. Build out the island. Kitchen islands are great extra worktop space and storage, but they also give the perfect opportunity for additional seating and a sociable breakfast bar area. If you build out the island, extending the worktop, then you have just enough room to slot in a couple of kitchen stools, and suddenly, your storage, workspace, seating, island, entire kitchen has been upgraded. 2. Polish with paint. We talk about this a lot, but paint really is transformative. By adding a fresh lick of paint to a wall, a ceiling, furniture, anything really, it gives it a new lease of life. Kitchens aren't any different. Painting the kitchen can make your tired and dated cabinets suddenly look brand new and completely on trend. Brighten and lighten the room with a gorgeous off-white, soften with pastels, or make a statement with a bolder color. 3. Upgrade your cabinets. Want a slightly more dramatic change than just a new paint color? That's fine, you can do that too. You don't need to replace the entire kitchen, just the cabinet fronts. There are specific companies such as Superfront or IKEA that are dedicated to making and selling beautiful doors and other fittings to fit IKEA kitchens to take your kitchen from cheap to chic. 4. Replace the worktop. When updating your kitchen and trying to stay in budget, you need to know where is best to save and where is best to splurge. If you want an expensive finish, the worktop is a great focus. Real granite, marble or Korean are a bit pricier than the laminate effect worktops, but you can see the difference. Don't get us wrong, there are incredible more affordable options that give a similar effect, but for an ultra expensive finish, you're going to want the real thing. 5. Change the hardware. His is such a small upgrade that makes such a big difference. Just adding or changing the handles or knobs can completely transform the look of your kitchen. Have a real think if you want brass accents to stick with chrome, an organic wood finish, or some industrial black metal. Ornate brass fittings change to geometric-shaped black metal knobs can take your kitchen from traditionally beautiful to on-trend, industrial quicker. 6. One size doesn't fit all. What we think is paramount is making sure your kitchen looks like it fits your room and it's made for you. Often, cheaper kitchens have standard sizes in which their cabinets can come in, and therefore leaves awkward gaps between the top of the cabinets and the ceiling, or between the side and the wall. Make it a floor-to-ceiling job and continue your kitchen right to the top and extend it so it slots perfectly from wall to wall. This will give you extra closed storage, ensure the finished design looks super sleek and cohesive, give that bespoke finish, and also gives you less places to dust and clean. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.